All right. Well, that is pretty exciting stuff, guys. I guess that's it. Oh, wait, what? What's that you say? Oh, there's one more. Oh, yes, we shall look. Hello, everyone. My name is Cindy, and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I am back for another massive smart home unboxing. But before I tell you about our fabulous smart home here, I just want to let you know that there is a smart stone that's also available that can come to your home, and you can check out that link down below as well. Now, this is super exciting because it's my favorite time of year. As usual, we are giving away everything under this video, and everything in this video, not even under it. So check out the link down below on how you can be entered to win everything you see here, boxes included. Now, all these products were sent to us, so let's get started. All right, guys, I'm so excited, and this is my favorite time. So let me start here. We have our fabulous unboxing, and I can't believe they trust me with a knife. I mean, really, a cut above the rest. Now this right here, let's see what it is. I'm excited. How about you guys? If you're excited, comment below. Like, who loves these videos? And who the heck taught me how to use a knife? It's scary, isn't it? All right, guys. Ooh, it's exciting. Okay, let's see what is inside box number 1. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. That's right. You on here. Look at this, guys. This right here. Look at that. Can you see it from there? This is a Tekken lamp. Now let me tell you about this fabulous lamp. Okay, it is touch control. You can actually touch the top of the lamp. In fact, I'm going to show you it outside of the box because it's even more impressive. Wow. I mean, truly a great way to light up your day. You know what I'm saying? How beautiful. It's a very classy design. And so what you do here is you're going to plug it in. Obviously, I'm not going to plug it in right now, but I just want to let you know that it is touch controlled. So you tap the top of it, and that is actually what is going to switch between 3 levels of warm light, soft, and bright light. And you can also choose many colors by pressing the top of the lamp. And they gave us 2 of them, one for us and one for you. So if you want to win this fabulous lamp, you got to stay tuned, and I will let you know how to win this amazing addition to your home. I mean, we all need to have a good idea, a way to lighten up our life, especially during this dark time in history. So this, what the heck? I don't know about you, but I definitely will be checking this with me. Oh, you see what I did there? All right, let's get started with box number 2, shall we? Now, what should I open for? I think I want to open this big bad boy. What do you think? All right. Oh, I'm covering up the Tekken lamp. I know. Ah, I'm so excited. Now, they say that, you know, it's what's inside that counts, but you got to wonder about the big boxes, right? Wow, I am so bad. It's a good thing I'm than I am with knives, right? Like, what the heck? This crazy girl. I know normally I have my little elf helper here, Anika, here with me, but she's abandoned me. That's okay, she's coming back, guys. She is my Christmas wish, just so you know. Ah, I'm so excited! Look what this is! It's bubble wrap! I mean, who doesn't want... No, I'm just kidding. Look at this! Okay, let's get rid of this big box. What the heck? We don't need that here. Oh my gosh, guys. This right here, can you see that? This is an amazing... I know, I'm getting really excited. I gotta show you because you're just not even gonna believe it. Like, it's more impressive outside of the box than inside. I mean, it's got all the cool additions, but wow. This is pretty amazing stuff. And it will be even more amazing once I get it out. That's what she said. All right, guys, check it out. Woo! This right here is an amazing, it's so exciting. This right here is a smart desk. and it has all of the, you have smart dimming, you have adjusting the color temp. I mean, it has a clock. It has everything. Like, this is a pretty amazing, right? So right here, it actually is easy valo, and it's adjustable and sturdy. So you can actually change, you know, the different, look at this. It's coming out, it's expanding. It's something that will absolutely add to your home and bring you a great deal of, like, it will on your subject, literally. Okay guys, so as you can tell, I was super hyper ultra mega excited about these amazing gifts. I mean, who wouldn't be? And so I understand now that my mic has been dropping frames. So I got rid of the bad one. Forget about it. I don't need you. Bye. Bye, Felicia. This is now a better situation. In fact, let me know how it sounds, because I have the better one on me right now, on my person. That's right. And speaking of amazing things, this is on the table, and it's awesome. And let me tell you about it. It is a smart desk lamp by Easy Valo, and it's adjustable and sturdy, and it features 2 rotating joints to cast light in any direction you like. I mean, how cool is that? It's like omnipresent light. Woo! And it has a built-in clock out front. That's right, so you can see how much time is flying by as you play with your new toy. It can turn on automatically when someone approaches, as it has a motion sensor. And you can turn it on with your Alexa simply by asking. You can manually select a range of warm white 2700 Kelvin to bright light of 6500. That's right, so a nice range. Or connect it to the Tuya app to adjust it using your phone. How cool is that? So there is a built-in ambient light sensor with this bad boy that dims and brightens the light automatically, adjusting to the surroundings and illuminating to reduce eye discomfort. How cool is that? Amazeballs. I know. All right, guys, it's on for our next one. Please let me know if my mic is causing any more difficulties, because now I'm really worried about it, because I get really excited, as you can tell. I mean, it is my favorite time of year. What do you guys want for Christmas? Oh, I know what you want. You want everything you see here. And guess what? You can absolutely get it. And I'm going to let you know how, because we have these unboxing videos. And if you've been a loyal follower of our show, first of all, congratulations. It shows you have impeccable taste. And second of all, I'm going to let you know how you can win everything you see here. Well, present company excluded. Sorry, guys. But let's check it out. Oh my gosh, what is this? That's what I want to know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it and find out. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it like you want it. Shake it like you want it. Ooh, watch yourself. That's right, watch yourself. You see what I did there? Because it is not a stupid watch, it is a smartwatch. Amazing. And it comes with a Walmart card. Exciting. Now, let me tell you about this bad boy, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Drum roll, please. Take charge of your exercises with the Vermi VT3 smartwatch, as it records your daily activities such as steps, distance, calories burned, and summarizes your overall health. Wow, you really are watching yourself. You're watching your weight, literally. Watch your weight. This is the way to do it. It's a weight watcher. Ah, that's right. And it will stay with you and will keep you on track to ensure that you reach your New Year's resolution goals. That's right. If you want to be half the man you once were. I know, I'm such a punster, I guess. But anyways, the VT3 keeps a close eye on your health by tracking your heart rate 24/7. And it has a built-in SP02 sensor, which allows you to keep track of your blood oxygen level throughout the day, your saturation. That's right, are you saturating? And it collects your sleep data of different sleep stages and provides you your overall sleep performance. It supports 18 modes, 18 sports modes. So I'm talking sporting, cycling, swimming. It detects how many lengths that you've actually swum and counts your strokes. So the battery actually lasts for 15 days on a 1.5-hour charge. 15 days, that's over 2 weeks, guys. Pretty impressive. Watch it. Watch it. All right. Amazing. lucky winner will win all of this that you see so far. Supporting us on Patreon will ship everything you see to the winner. Amazing, I know, I'm excited. And we haven't even finished yet, guys. I still have 2 more gifts. Oh, I love it. Amazeballs. Okay, guys, let's see what is next. What's inside box number 4? Ooh, I can't believe it, chat. I am excited. So this is just getting better and better. I don't know about you, but I mean, it hasn't exactly been the best year, but when I get presents, it changes everything. Ooh, all right, the cable guy. What is up with this? Look at that. Oh, wow. Now this is some heavy duty cable action here. Let me tell you about this, all right? Now this is a durable braided, that's right, 6-foot USB-C cable 2-pack by Anope or Anope. I'm not quite sure how to say it, so let me know if you guys know, because that would be awesome. And it is fast charging and has passed 20,000 plus bending tests. That's right, it's very flexible, much like Anika. That's why she's just completely flexed herself onto new atmospheres, but she's coming back. It's amazing. I am super excited, and this is actually more durable and flexible with no tangles, because we all hate the tangles. Let's face it, like that's ridiculous. It has a 3.1 amp fast charger and 5 gigabits per second data sync. Amazing. That's more of a soaring than a sinking. You get what I'm saying? And it has a 4.6 great rating on Amazon, and not a bad deal for 2 cables, right? 2 for 1, twice the fun. When so nice we did it twice. I like it. All right. Well, that is pretty exciting stuff, guys. I guess that's it. Oh, wait, what? What's that you say? Oh, there's one more. Oh, yes, we shall look. Let's see what is inside the last box, shall we? Oh, it's like amazing stuff here, guys. I mean, this day just keeps getting better and better. I don't know about you, but I am just super excited to be alive. What is this? Pardon me. What are we looking at here? This is absolutely incredible, guys. Look at this. This could be yours. Do you see this? Do you see what I see? I mean, this is amazing. This is probably the best thing here. I'm just saying. Now, this is one of the best of them all. It's a vintage HomeAutomationX t-shirt and our way of saying thank you for all the support you give us. That's right. You can purchase these vintage shirts and our new ones, which I happen to be wearing, by the way, in the link below. Amazing, guys. So this is truly something you want to grab. And you can get all of this just by following my simple instructions that I'm going to tell you right as soon as we get this back going. All right, guys, if you found this video useful, oh wait, before I get to that, do you want to know how to win all this stuff? Well, you can actually go to our link below and that gives you all the details. So you want to make sure that you click on the link below to find out. Now, if you found this video amazing, I suggest that you share it with your social media following, because this is an opportunity for not just you, but for anyone who's on your list. That's right. And it is an exciting time where you can actually view our videos here on the side. You can also check those out. And there is a video down below. That's our most recent one, and a recommended one for you below, rather, that I would like you to watch. Just let us know what you think. Click on either one, check them out, and we appreciate you and your support that you provide to us, the channel. My friends, thank you for joining me, and I do hope that you are a lucky winner.